What happened?
Michael Ramos, it's the sheriff's office. You have a warrant for your arrest. Step out of your residence unarmed.
Yeah, the bow. Michael! Put the bow down! You're not putting your bow away? Why? He pulled up in that curtain and he had a bow and arrow pointed at me. You're gonna make what explode? The subject saying his gasoline is unhooked and is gonna make it explode. Stop lighting the house on fire! He's lighting his curtain on fire. He's still got a bow in his left hand. Michael, come to the window without the bow and talk to me!
Michael Ramos, Kern County Sheriff's Office. Come out the east door unarmed. You want to work something out? Let's work something out. But you have to do it without a bow and completely unarmed.
He just said he's gonna kill the dog. He's got something in his right hand.
Don't stop! Don't stop!
Look, man, is that a gun in your hand? Drop whatever the fuck's in your hand.
Put him.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
He drops
You also
the
have a knife in your hand. I'm standing right here looking at it. I can see it. You toss that knife on the ground so nobody gets hurt. I will. Right now, you're about to. I'm the one that can make sure that this ends well. Michael, come on.
Didn't you say come up to what fit, right?
Yeah, Michael. All you have to do is walk over here and give up. And we're done. Don't pick up that gun. That's a real bad idea. I want you to be safe. Do not pick up that gun.
Why, is he gonna shoot me?
Talk to him.
Are you gonna run right around?
I know for a fact they are.
I hope they are.
Do you see those green dots on your chest?
Yeah.
That means you're gonna get shot if you pick that thing up.
You think you guys gonna kill me?
All you gotta do is come out here, bud. No. No. Don't reach for it, Michael.
Why kill me?
No. Michael.
Kill me.
No, Michael. Put your hands in the air.
Kill me.
Michael.
Kill me.
No.
Those live round?
Michael, you know they are.
Are they live round?
You know for a fact they are. They're absolutely live bullets.
So let's do this top suicide bullshit.
No. Don't do that. Hey, why did you pick up the gun? Put that fucker down. Michael, put the gun down.
He's got it in his right hand.
Michael,
He's gonna
lower the goddamn gun. Michael,
Live round, right?
put the gun down.
Live round, right?
Yeah, they are.
I love you,
Hey, Michael, do not pick that gun up. Don't do this. Michael, don't.